Hey, Susan Berkley here with the Inside Voiceover Video Training Blog, and this week we're going to talk about how to practice your voiceovers. You gotta do it, especially when you're starting out. But believe it or not, you don't need to spend that much time practicing. If you can do it consistently for 15 to 20 minutes every day, you're going to really make headway. So the best way to practice your voiceovers is against a model using what I call the tape and ape method. And that means you're going to take actual TV and radio commercials or spots off of YouTube and transcribe them so you have the script. And then you play the actor that booked the job, the narrator that's doing it, and then you record yourself imitating that practice session or that recording. And the reason you do that is so you're not practicing in a vacuum, because you see, none of us can really be objective about the way we sound because we listen to our voice from inside our head. So the best way to improve yourself when you're alone working at home is not just to read scripts, but try to copy what other successful voice talent are doing. Not to end up sounding like them, but to get a feeling internally about pacing and about copy interpretation. Now, another great thing to do for practicing is keep a record of it. So get a log and start writing down how often you've practiced every day. And after a few days, you can't lie to yourself anymore. You will really see, and you'll push yourself to do it. And I guarantee, if you can keep this up for about 21 days, that good practice habit is going to be embedded in your consciousness. So that's what I got for you this week. I'm Susan Berkley. I'm back next week with more Inside Voiceover.